Hello guys, back again in my video. Thanks for visiting my channel. Here I will give my opinion or my reaction about young singer from Indonesia who is very talented. She is a solo pop singer and songwriter who is visually impaired. Even so, she really makes Indonesia proud. I'm really excited to explain about her. She really is great and amazing. Do you know a young singer from Indonesia who won the Golden Buzzer on the 18th season of America's Got Talent? Which recently went viral after appearing to sing her original song entitled Loneliness with piano accompaniment and at the America's Got Talent event. Her name is Ariani Putri, a girl who is now 17 years old, who was born on 31 December 2005, with her stage name Putri Ariani. Putri became known since participating in the 2014 Indonesia's Got Talent competition and won the position as the winner. Putri received an invitation to audition for the talent show America's Got Talent 2023 for the second week in the United States. At the audition, she performed her own song Loneliness for the first appearance. After completing her performance, which amazed everyone as well as the judges, Putri was visited by one of the AGT judges, Simon Cowell, and he asked Putri to sing the second song. Putri then performed a song entitled Sorry Seems to Be the Hardest Word, which was popularized by Elton John for her second appearance. At the end of her performance, Putri received a golden buzzer from Cowell, which automatically made her pass the audition. For this achievement, the President of the Republic of Indonesia, Joko Widodo, congratulated Putri Ariani for receiving the golden buzzer from Simon Cowell while appearing on America's Got Talent. Jokowi said he was proud that Putri Ariani could be an inspiration to many people, achieve her goals, and make Indonesia proud. Even Putri performed the song she sang when America's Got Talent in front of President Jokowi. There are so many achievements of Putri that make me amazed by her. Currently, there is a lot of news coverage about her.
Change your pain into the blue.
Even Putri is not only good at singing, her sweet voice also beautifully recites verses from the Quran fluently and correctly. From there, I learned a lesson that behind the shortcomings that Allah has given Putri, Allah has prepared millions of goodness, surprise, and advantage for her. Masya Allah. Thank you, friends, for watching my video. We can get a lot of inspiration from Putri Ariani's story. One of which is when we have goals and dreams, never give up, fighting for it until we get it. See you guys.